Before you even start thinking about one arm handstand, you need to have a solid handstand hold. 1 minute, the more, the better. The first step for you is to shift as much as weight as possible onto the one arm, while still holding with the other arm on parallels or on the floor. With this step, you will figure it out how to shift your weight, how to balance it. Hold this for as long as possible. Don't do it like 5 seconds for 5 sets. 10, 15 seconds, 20, the more the better again. Extra tip for you guys, keep your arm that you are balancing on straight. If you bend it, you will most likely fall because you will mess up your balance.
Well, obviously.
And make sure your body is tight so you won't be doing a breakdance in handstand. The second step is to start moving your whole body even more onto the one arm, but you will start pushing with your all fingers. After this becomes too easy for you, start pushing only with your 3 fingers. Don't do it for like 1-2 seconds, 10, 15, 20, more the better, so spend time in it. You know what comes next, pushing only with your 2 fingers. With this variation we are moving even closer to the one arm, don't rush it and spend time again in it. Last but not least, we have the one arm handstand hold only with your 1 finger. That can be your index finger. I recommend doing it with your thumb. This is very important variation or like a step before the actual one arm. Keep grinding this one and practice makes perfect. After you feel ready to try the actual one arm, don't let your other arm just rest. Use it because you will balance with it. But that you will find out with those attempts that you will do. So I wish you best of luck. Comment down below if you manage to unlock it. See ya guys.